My name is Bárbara Oliveira. I'm co-founder and CTO at Luminate Medical. Luminate Medical is building a technology to prevent the side effects of drug delivery, namely chemotherapy, and our first product is Lily, a medical device to prevent hair loss during chemotherapy. Since joining Catapult, we have been growing a lot. So when we were starting off in Catapult, we were still doing our initial preclinical validations. So we have gone through all of the process of preclinical and in animal and healthy volunteer studies. So that has been a huge part and has been something that really made us progress even further with Catapult to really bring the proof of our technology to light. If you're considering applying for Catapult, I would say do it. It is a really great program. It makes you think about what your message is. It really makes you practice your pitching skills, and it really connects you to a huge network that is really valuable.